Pleasant day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Cindy Lopez, 30 years old, married. I have three brothers and one sister. I am the fourth child in the family. I have three kids, two boys and one girl. I work as a domestic helper in the Philippines for 2 years. My main duties is taking care of the kids. When I started to work, there will be two kids for me to take care. The girl was 2 months old and the boy was 5 years old, kindergarten. In the morning, I need to wake up early to prepare this boy to go to school. I make the meal, bath him, help him to wear his uniform, carry his bag, and send him to school bus. About the newborn baby, I change the diaper and clothes, bath her, play with her, clean the bottles, and make the milk. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my family and to support my kids' financial needs. I can do cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and cooking. And I'm willing to learn the Hong Kong procedure, especially how to cook your food, ma'am. I hope you like me, and I would be happy to serve your family for the future. Thank you and God bless.